Okay, we are here at yet another pizza review, folks. I just don't stop. I keep bringing them to you day after day after day. We're in Stuart, Florida. We're at a place called Nancy's Italian Restaurant. It's not just a pizzeria, it's an Italian restaurant. They are located at 894 Southwest Federal Highway in Stuart, Florida. Michelle, the owner inside, an absolute sweetheart. Wow. Amazing lady. I'm so impressed. Before I get started, I need you to hit that like button. I need you to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell. It'll remind you each and every time I have a new review. Now, let's take a look at the slice here. Here's the slice. Here's the undercarriage. Nicely well done. No raw spots. No grease. It's a big slice. I fold it. Okay, it doesn't break completely, but it did crack at the crust. I prefer it to break completely, but let's give it a shot. Here we go. Now, they are using the grande. They're using a full red sauce. Surprisingly, even though I didn't get that full crack in the crust, it's actually very good. The cheese to sauce ratio is spot on. The flavor is there. I like the way they season their sauce. I like it. The place is immaculate inside. As I said, Michelle, the owner, named it after her mother Nancy and her daughter Nancy, hence the name Nancy's. And they're running a really nice place here. Great crew, really nice. The pizza's good, I like it. I'm gonna give it a 7-4. That's a real pizza review from a real Italian, 7-4 Nancy.